I slay my makeup and my hair, period. Y'all already know what's going on. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button to join the Slay Squad because we be slaying over here. Hey!
I'm a star, cause I slay, I slay, I slay, I slay.
I'm gonna start off with this lip oil from e.l.f. I love the way this makes my lips feel so good and hydrated, and that's what we want. We're starting off with a clean face. I am gonna apply some moisturizer really quickly. Ooh, okay, yes. All right, so next, I'm gonna apply e.l.f. primer. So we're just gonna apply some primer, and this is just gonna protect the skin from any makeup products. So today we're gonna be using CC cream from e.l.f. And this is in the shade Tan 400W. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply 1 pump of this product, and I'm just gonna apply it to my face. And you really wanna apply it to the areas that needs the most coverage. And then I'm gonna take some of this e.l.f. Dewy setting spray and just spray it on my face so that I can blend it out more evenly. And I'm just going to blend that out. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with a concealer shade that's closest to my skin tone, and I'm gonna be using the Juvia's Place concealer, and this is in the shade 10. And I'm just gonna apply it right here under my eyes. And then I'm gonna take a puff and blend it out. Then next, I'm gonna go in with a brighter shade of concealer from Fenty. And this is in the shade 350C. And then with that same puff, blend it out. Okay, now I'm going in with my translucent setting powder from Laura Mercier. And I'm gonna use a new sponge for this. Dab off the excess powder. and go in and set that concealer. And once you set everything, it's gonna stay in place. I'm using this Ulta brow pencil for my brows today. And then I'm gonna clean up my brows with that same e.l.f. or the Juvia's Place concealer. And then I'm just gonna set my lids real quick because I did apply some concealer. Now I'm gonna go in with some bronzer, warm up my face. Using that good old Caramel Cutie from Fenty. Add some color back to my face. Use that same powder for my nose contour. I've been loving the way orange blush looks on me, so I'm gonna like apply some of this orange. And just a little bit of pink. Take a little bit of this pressed powder and clean up. I'm gonna go in with some Morphe. Go in with my Wet n Wild highlighter and just add the finishing touches. And we're gonna go in with some of this all-nighter spray just to make sure my makeup lasts all day. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. I slayed my makeup and my hair, period. Y'all already know what's going on. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button to join the Slay Squad because we be slaying over here. Hey, period.